The Viewscape Nature Park is located in Sitio Maysawa, Tanay Rizal. It is around 2 hours drive from Metro Manila. I must say the drive is smooth and the roads are quite convenient. Along the way, I was able to pass by vendors of local delicacies such as cashew nuts, suman, ube, sticky rice, and lots of fruits. The campsite price itself, with a cool breeze and a majestic view of Mount Kulis and Sierra Madre. The place is so serene and quiet, which encourages visitors like me to escape the usual and just camp, dine, and unwind. The place is pet friendly, so I was able to bring my Persian cat, Mally. This weekend was about treating myself with a tranquil, peaceful, and breathtaking view of nature. This means enjoying and connecting with our dear Mother Nature. Life indeed is beautiful, but it's also short, so whenever possible, I try to go and see the world. Traveling doesn't always mean seeing grand tourist destinations. Sometimes it means just camping in the mountains. Viewscape Nature Park is simply like that. Being here is indeed a humbling experience. Brave enough to explore new things, I was able to discover this gem near the metro. Keeping in mind love of nature, I was able to remind myself to love life even more. So yes, while I'm at it, I try to be mindful of the famous mantra: live, love, and laugh. What a great way to enjoy the night experience of the mountain is to set up a bonfire. This is a perfect addition to the cool breeze and the deafening silence of the night. And because there's a bonfire, I didn't miss drinking my favorite whiskey with a splash of cola. Of course, I didn't forget toasting marshmallows and letting it melt in my mouth. It kinda brings good memories of childhood back home. The next morning is perfect. Waking up with a sea of clouds and a beautiful sunrise. What else can I ask for? It reminds me that the world is indeed beautiful, waiting to be explored. There's a lot of mixed emotions in going camping, in feeling the constant cold breeze, seeing countless bright stars, and listening to the orchestra of birds and crickets. Cooking in the outdoors, warming up at the campfire, and listening to wild stories about the outdoors and beyond. Caldera bath is another pride of the campsite. I was able to soak myself in warm water with fresh petals on a big caldera under a medium fire. All these while looking at a landscape that I thought I was looking at a live, beautiful painting. This simple weekend experience has indeed inspired me to appreciate life even more. I was being more mindful of myself. I was feeling more gratitude of the world that God has entrusted us. As my cat's name suggests, may we all continue to be Malikut and persevere to be happy always.